Welcome, this is the Waihee Ridge Trail, open 7 till 7. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. This is the northwest of the island of Maui in Hawaii.
You might get a little dirty.
And check it out. Dust your feet off.
She can do much dusting with that.
That's some wide shoes, huh? Hiking sticks, look, and lots of cows up that hill there, which you'll see in a second. We're about to start the trail. So here's the parking, or the closer parking. The other one's 0.8 miles out of the way. This is the nearer one, but the gates close at 7 p.m. I hear the toilets, they are nasty, so yeah, bring your own toilet paper. So the hill is lined with cows. Nice cloudy day. Should be quite exciting. Calm down, cow. So I hear it is 4 miles total, 2 out, 2 back, around 1600 feet of elevation and a bit of a ridge. So a bit of a tourist friendly one, so we shouldn't drop off an unmaintained trail, but we'll see. The challenge is always fun too. Cow pie. You hear the tranquil sounds of the grazing cows.
Not even a word.
What? What cow?
No, tranquil.
Yes.
Not tranquil.
Oh. Same thing.
Song.
There's our parking, look. Looks nice, isn't it? And here we go. The trail begins. It wasn't a boat, it's some sort of water reclamation thingy. Yes, the trail. It's looking more like Hawaii now. Mini trees.
I forgot to put insect repellent on.
Uh-oh. In trouble.
Almost mosquito o'clock.
Damn it. Well, that's okay, because as long as you're with me, I'll get all the bites.
That's true.
I don't think you have anything to worry about. Just gotta run faster than the mosquitoes. Cheetah leg.
Look at that view.
No. Some people say when it's cloudy up there, it ruins the hike, but I don't really understand that because
Yeah, they must be maybe tired of the fog. They want to see as far as they can, but I want to get lost in the fog.
yeah, it's a different kind of hike, really. You can see the waterfall over there, like it's a big double. Looks a bit like Captain Cook Trail on the Big Island. Oh, there's the airport somewhere down there.
Big old cloud.
Yeah. We're almost in the clouds.
Here to access your digital refund.
Ya me está empezando a dormir la wea con me mencionan de la plata, Julio. Me mandó un condorito.
So we're about to go into the clouds. And yeah, the trail, see, just turns into a cliff. And then you're down there, shortcut. And this island, nicknamed the Valley Island. At least that's what the pilot said on the plane.
Look at these pink flowers.
Wow.
To the left. Oh no, there's flags.
Oh, they are flags.
They're little purple ones. I was like, what is this?
Cool. There were some pink flowers at the start. Say cheese. Oh, hang on.
Cheddar.
Bad job.
Long arm of the law.
Oh wow.
Check that out.
You can see people just there.
Man, they were quick. They were only just by us.
They'll be in their hotel room tomorrow.
And these views are the reason I'm here.
What, the anti-views?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, here we are. Is the good bit, isn't it? So, oh yeah. It's not about what you see, it's about the journey. Hey, you can touch a cloud there. Who took these concrete slabs up this hill? I think they're the real winners, huh?
You talking?
I think we're nearing our destination, the top. But where it was really foggy, that was kind of like the height of it. We went down a bit. I guess we're going up a little bit more. But we'll be there soon. Might be hard to see. Oh, you can see.
Yeah, clouds blowing right by.
Yeah, all the clouds going by.
Just over 2 miles now. So.
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
There, right?
2 mile marker just gone. Rocks. I was wondering when we knew where the summit was.
I have a hunch.
There's a little picnic table. And now we're going to have a nice rum chatter.
Yes, I'm
Or
ready.
pina colada rum. And then we have 1 hour 17 minutes to sprint back to the car before the gates close.
Hey.
So this is it. Let's have a look around. Say hello. You made it.
Yep.
2.2 miles.
Ready for the rum and chata.
I'd call it 2.2 miles. Yes. Hey, look, there's a little barbed wire around here. I feel like there used to be a summit here. Maybe 10, 20 years ago.
Hi.
Hello. It just goes off every side, just nothing. And that's where we came from, look.
Ooh,
Alone in
sure,
the clouds.
A couple hours ago, maybe. Hour or two. Right, there you go.
Last time we took a video like this, there were some Hawaii locals that were laughing, saying, "Oh, you dumb tourists, you went all the way up there and couldn't see anything," etc., etc. Well, I say to you, it is about the journey.
And I didn't want to see anything anyway.
It is about the adventure.
It was about the rum, the pina colada.
If you want to see something, you can do it from the airplane. Oh yeah, that is just a ledge of nothingness. So yeah, we made it. Now we're going to have a rum chatter, then try and get to the car before the gates close. So yeah, thank you for joining us on our adventure.
Wish us luck.
Alright, here's the rum chatter. Are you dubbing the rum chatter mountain?
Of course.
Alright.
So, enjoying it too much to come up with any other name.
Yes.
How about you?
Cheers.
And cheers. Enjoy the, I think it's a pina colada.
Homemade one.
Yeah.
You
Spicy.
can't buy that in the shops.
Face of enjoyment.
Mm-hmm.